resources that you recommend to help people succeed in their business or in their life. And I also want to throw in, personal finance resources.
Right.
That, we kind of talked about that too.
Right. I'm a complete YouTube nut job. That's my spare time. So for finance, I learned everything from. Can I mention other people?
Yeah, mention them, man. We'll link them.
Okay, cool.
Love it. Let's just throw some wealth around for some people who are doing awesome stuff on YouTube.
Absolutely. So the one that I would say is number one, the channel is Dave Ramsey.
Mm-hmm.
Taught me everything about money. He's a very inspirational guy. If you are religious, there are some things that kind of money ties into the Bible in a way, but if you're not religious, that's okay. Methods still, everything still works. It's just interesting to see how religion kind of plays into business too.
Mm-hmm.
Some other channels, Laundromat Resource, of course.
Oh, nice.
100%.
Nice, man.
And that's really the ones in the top of my head.
Really, those are the only two you need. As long as you have Laundromat Resource and Dave Ramsey,
that's it.
Good.
That's it. Yeah.
No, that's awesome. Those are awesome resources, especially if you're looking into personal finance. I really recommend, finding a couple of people on YouTube to listen to about, personal finance. Somebody like a Dave Ramsey who has one philosophy of personal finance. If you want to kind of contrast that, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad, he has a little bit different philosophy of personal finance. And so it's just kind of interesting to hear the different philosophies and figure out kind of where you land on that spectrum between, some of those guys. So pretty cool. Man, awesome resources. And I will link to Dave Ramsey's channel and, you've already found Laundromat Resource. You're already if you're listening to this or watching this, you're half the battle right there to success. So
go to.